Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today is part 3 of my 2024 Christmas craft series. And here's the first item I have to show you today. Let me lift this up a little bit. So these are the pocket hot pads. And I got these on Amazon. Sometimes you can get these at the dollar store, but I just didn't have time to wait because I wanted to get things rolling. So I got these from Amazon, and I believe there's 10 in a set, and you get 5 red and 5 green, and every one has a different saying. I didn't put them all on this video because that would just take too much time, but the main thing is just to show you what I did with them. So I'll move that red one out of the way. So in the pocket, I've got a packet of Pillsbury cookie mix, and I always get these at Dollar Tree. And then I also ordered these spatulas from Amazon. So that you can see that one's a snowman and the Santa. And there's probably 10 or 12 in a set of those. And then I always put a little bit of shred because I think that kind of dresses up your packaging. Then I've got 2 little cookie cutters. And I went on ChatGPT and I said, write me a poem for a pocket holder hot pad with cookie mix and a spatula and 2 cookie cutters for Christmas. And this is the poem. A pocket hot pad to keep things warm with a spatula ready to bake up a storm. Cookie mix waiting for holiday fun and cutters to shape each one when you're done. May your Christmas be sweet with treats to share, baking memories filled with love and care. And I'm selling these for $10. And that's what the back looks like. Isn't that so cute? I tell you what, I don't know what we did without ChatGPT. I had to write all my own poems, but now I just, if I can't think of something right off the top of my head, I just let ChatGPT do the writing for me. So those turned out really good. And if you watch my videos, you'll see I always have these for every holiday that I do a boutique or a craft fair. I did Halloween, and here's my Christmas ones. I was finally able to get some of the M&Ms at Costco the other day, the Christmas ones. And then these are just from my Halloween ones, and when my sister made them for me, she just took all the blue ones out because that didn't go with Halloween and fall. And then I used that for Christmas. So I sell these for $1.25. Okay. Fun. And you can get the link for the bags in one of my other videos. Okay, then I was at Dollar Tree one day and I saw this Wizard Natural Aromatherapy Fragrance Mist, and this is Sunny Citrus. I noticed the other day they also had some, I think it was cinnamon and eucalyptus or something like that, but I had already bought so many of these I didn't want to buy any more. But you know, for $1.25, and then I just put it in one of these gusset bags that I get from clearbags.com. And then I was at Hobby Lobby, so I grabbed some picks that had this beautiful fake leaves with sparkly on them and some berries. And then I put some fake snow in the bottom. And again, ChatGPT says, this holiday season with each gentle spray, let peace and comfort come your way. And I just think the leaves and the berries just really dress it up and make it look so professional. And I'm selling these for $5. So yeah, good old Dollar Tree. $1.25 on these, you guys. I bought about 20 the day I found these. But I think those turned out super cute. Okay. And then, you know, I'm really into Target and the bullseye section, and probably in July I was there and they had these, you can't really see it because I've got everything in it, but it's a plastic, it looks like a pencil, and it's a tray. And my first thought was ding ding ding, teacher gift for my Christmas craft fairs. So I've got a packet of pencils from Dollar Tree, an eraser, a Post-it notepad holder. I mean a Post-it, not a holder, but a set of Post-it pads. 2 Hershey candy bars. And believe it or not, I had these apple napkins in my stash from a couple of years ago. I just buy stuff when I see it, and then I decide later on what I'm going to do with it. And that's what I did with it. So I put all these in the cute little pencil holder, put it in a bag. I found this cute pencil ribbon at Hobby Lobby. And then the top of this, these were also in the school section that day in the bullseye section. And this was just a long strip where you could practice writing your name. So I just cut the top off. And then I asked ChatGPT to write the poem. And it says, for the teacher who guides us each day, a pencil tray to brighten your way, with pencils to write all the wisdom you share, and Kleenex for moments that show how you care. A little candy, sweet as your heart, to say thank you for playing your part. In shaping our minds and helping us grow, you're the reason we learn what we know. And then I just put Merry Christmas Teacher, and then I found this cute little apple clip art. I think I got that from Creative Fabrica, if I remember right. And I'm selling these for $10. Aren't they cute? Oh, I just think they turned out so cute. And the poem is what makes it, it just brings it all together. Okay, the next thing on this video, I don't know if you've heard the saying, hug in a mug. Usually when on my hot cocoa packets, when I put those together for Christmas boutiques, I usually say hug in a mug. Well, so look what I did. I went to Walmart, and they have these mug cakes. You get 4 in a box for, I think, like $3, I want to say around $3.25. And these are those cup, what do you call these? Coffee cup sleeves. I got these from Amazon. And then I had this Simple Stories collection in my stash. I'm lucky enough that the Simple Stories warehouse is about 5 miles from my home here in Utah. So I go there a lot, and I buy all this stuff because it's at a huge discount. So what I did was I just took one of these coffee sleeves and sat it down on, on the paper, and I just traced it. I mean, you could take this apart and spread it out and wrap the whole thing, but I just figured, why waste that time and paper, So I just sat it down, traced around it, and then I cut these out. Then I put them on the coffee sleeve with this crafter's tape. And then I took this is the mug cake, and then this is the topping. I ordered these wood spoons from Amazon. Those are in one of my past videos. And I taped, with clear tape, I taped the spoon on because I didn't want it to move, so that it would stay where you can see it. And then I just slid everything in the sleeve, and I had these bags, and they fit absolutely perfect, you guys. And I want to say these bags are, let's see how wide they are. Okay, they're 5 by 7, you guys. And you can find these on Amazon, and they have the pull tape off. So you just pull the tape off and then fold it over and stick it down. And so I bought 2 different kinds. I bought triple chocolate cake and rainbow chip cake. And it does say on here, down at the bottom, what flavor it is. So I got these all wrapped up, and I added my price, $3.99. And then I thought, you know what? People are not going to know what flavors these are. So I just made these stickers on my silhouette. So it either says triple chocolate cake or rainbow chip cake. And then, of course, I decided to keep a box for myself. But I just brought 4 in my craft room so I could show you just how I decorated them. This is, and then I just was thinking hug in a mug, but it's a cake. So I put hug in a mug cake. And I think that turned out just super cute. So this one has the moose and a piece of wood log. These are so fun to decorate, you guys. It's my favorite thing to decorate with ephemera. And I just put them on with that foam tape from Dollar Tree. These little foam tape squares. You get these in the automotive section at Dollar Tree. So I made about 28. And of course I didn't want to show all of them on the video, but I brought in 4 just to show you what they look like when you get them all decorated. Snow Much Fun with a scarf and mittens. And then a snowman, Let It Snow. And then this one just says winter. But so fun to make. So fun to make. It's probably my favorite thing I made for this craft fair because they're just so fun. Oh, look, I just noticed this one is totally tore. It must have tore when I was putting it in the bag, so I'll have to fix that. Okay, well, that's it for today. I hope you liked everything that I showed you today. I hope you got some good ideas. And thanks so much for watching. I'm having so much fun making and filming my videos to let you guys be a part of what I've made this year. So thanks so much for watching, and please come back for the next one. Bye for now.